Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to delete card from your Apple Wallet. Now the first thing I want you to go ahead and do is open up your Apple Wallet and then come here and scroll down until you find the card that you want to go ahead and remove. So let's say I want to remove this Bank of America card. I just go ahead and click on this and I will see my card. Now what I want you to do is come to the top right, you see these three dots. I want you to click on this. Now if you don't see these three dots, it's probably because you're searching for the card outside of the Apple Wallet. You need to open the Apple Wallet first, find the card, click on it, and then you'll see these three dots. So click on these three dots and then click on card details. Now I want you to scroll all the way down and tap on remove card. So just tap on remove card and then you'll get this pop-up asking you if you're sure whether or not you want to remove this card. Just go ahead and click on remove and there you go, you're done. It's really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.